This is an electromechanical model before the design changed in the early 2000s. Separate connections from the electromechanical horn to the strobe, but of course, when I got this unit, it simply came with the electromechanical horn. Um, there's a video or a couple that involves this older style space age strobe, but with older style horns. I could imagine possibly the horn may not be original. But then again, it could be original. Even though the sticker here looks older than this one. Dates. I'm afraid this does not show a date. 1994 for the strobe. But yeah, separate connection, so you could just have the strobe running. In this case, you could even make it where you could just put in your own horn and then, of course, connect it with the attached strobe.